everybody? Ben Barredo here with Keller Williams Realty, and I just wanted to tell you about another open house I'm doing this Sunday out here at Kinser Farm subdivision off Westland Avenue near North Shore. It's a great home, huge, beautiful home, brick house. It's listed for $434,900. The address is 10513 River Ridge View Road, and it has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it just had a price reduction. So, and these sellers are ready to sell. They're motivated. They're building a home. They just finished building. They want to get rid of this one so they can enjoy their house peacefully and without stress. So come check it out. Send anybody you know. It's going to be this Sunday, 2 to 4. Again, that address is 10513 River Ridge Road out here in West Knoxville off Westland Avenue in the Kinser Farm subdivision. I hope I see you guys this Sunday. Come hang out with me. Send your friends. Let everybody know. Beautiful home. Ready to move in. Come check it out. Talk to you soon.